Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity current do we have in this instrument. As you can see from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that gold giving us a significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade gold. Looking at monthly first of all to see overall picture. Now from the monthly, we can see that gold is strongly bullish. We have seen starting from this monthly level of support, gold has created this big monthly bullish impulse. This is the big impulse followed by this correction. Now with this correction, we have seen that gold has formed this retracement to the downside on the monthly, has come to this monthly important level of support where we see that there is a weakness candle and the price has penetrated previous months and created a false breakout, has closed above this support level. Now with that close, we have seen that gold this month, as soon as market open, created another false breakout of this support. The sellers couldn't create any lower low and the price has immediately has gone up, creating a higher low with this monthly support zone. Now with that being said, we can expect now gold to continue to rise as this is a long-term bull market, and highly likely that gold might even break this monthly resistance level. Now with that being said, let's look at now where the price is doing. As you can see, the price already made a move to the upside and there is a long wick at the top. At any point we could see another impulse to fill that monthly resistance level. Now at the same time, we can see that gold is respecting this resistance line on the monthly, which has broken, now turn support on the lower time frame, and we can expect this market to respect this support and then to continue to rise. So we can expect from the monthly gold to go up. Now if we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that this market is significantly bullish as well. There is an inverted head and shoulder on the weekly. You can see this is an inverted head and shoulder. It's a change of local downtrend to a global uptrend on gold, and we saw that previous week this is the bullish candle, which is a full body green, almost no wick at the top with wickless candle at the bottom. Now we saw that this week the price so far has penetrated this level to the downside, and from this zone we can expect now gold to have a bounce. The price already has tested this liquidity zone, as you can see, has come to that zone, and then we see this market is going up. Now if we place our Fibonacci from the weekly perspective, we can see that gold has come at exactly at 38.2% Fibonacci level and has a strong bounce. That's a sign that this market is strongly bullish, and we could potentially see that this market is going high. Now if we look at the daily to see how the price action is doing, we can see that typical bullish market structure creating this double bottom formation along the zone on gold. We have seen that there is a double bottom and then gold has retraced, has broken to the upside. Now with this breakout, there is an one impulse here followed by this correction. Now we saw another impulse corrected to the previous resistance zone, turn support here. If we draw this level, we can see that gold exactly tested this previous resistance with these two dodges as a support, and we have seen another impulse. Now what we can expect now gold to go, as you see that already there is another impulse started on the daily, and the price in a long term bullish move, we can expect now this market to go up and to create a new higher high. So looking at further lower time frame from the intraday, we see that this market has formed this bullish engulfer. During a New York session live, we have seen that this candle, and this is what exactly expected, that this market to continue to rise in this direction, and the price did exactly as it is, give a big light. Now what you can expect next movement to happen after this movement on the 4 hour, we have seen the price now correcting to certain level. Let's look at the Fibonacci level for this move on gold. We see that for this impulse, gold now coming to around 50% Fibonacci level, we have seen already has been retraced. What I think that gold might come to 61.8% Fibonacci level, which is highly likely to happen. And as you can see, there is already a global resistance which turning support along this zone. Now what I think that gold might move along the channel, as we see that this price already has form a channel to the upside, and the price in a historically high level, we could see that this market might move along this channel. And we see that on the intraday there are two possible channel. This is the inner one, and we can expect another outer support zone here. If we draw all of them, we can see that gold was respecting those levels for extended time. Now if we draw all of them, what we can expect now on gold, as you can see the price already respected this resistance coming down, we could see further drop to this level where there is the 61.8% Fibonacci for this impulse on the 4 hour, which is also turning this resistance, turning support here. And from that zone, we can expect a bullish price action for this move to the upside on gold. And what I think that, as you can see, the price might respect this resistance, and we could see that after rejecting from this support, another bullish move, and in that move we could see the price is testing this resistance zone again. So with that being said, we will be waiting for a lower time frame confirmation along this zone, as it is on a pullback. Any kind of movement to the downside on this previous resistance turn support, we will consider going long on gold with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.